did you come knocking on my door? You know she don't live here anymore. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the hurt she put me through.
Does this pain ever end? How much pain can a good man stand?
When his woman's with another man,
why did you come knocking on my door?
she don't live here
Anymore. I came here tonight trying to make things right, set you back on track, help you gather up your dreams, get your life back. And here I am with you tonight. Something about this feels so right. Shouldn't we just stay friends? With you, can I